Hey guys, Augustus here. Today I'm gonna show you on how to make an end portal. And you generate random world, and you go creative and normal as you can. You go flat, no seed, and play. Okay. Here is the end portal. And find the end portal. There it is. In your eye of ender. And block of wool. The block of wool you place. Okay, sorry guys, sorry. You place this and that. Block of three in a row. 3, 1, 2, 3. You put the eye of ender here. That go.